Imagine your neighbor, John, lives in a modest home, drives a 10-year-old Toyota, and wears simple clothes. He never talks about money, never shows off, and seems just like everyone else. But here's the secret. John is a millionaire, not because he inherited wealth or won the lottery, but because he follows smart, frugal habits that helped him quietly build a fortune. Most people think millionaires live in big mansions, drive luxury cars, and spend without limits. But in reality, many wealthy people, especially self-made, middle-class millionaires, live simply and spend wisely. They focus on growing their money, not wasting it. In this video, we'll reveal 5 unique frugal habits that middle-class millionaires use to build wealth while living an ordinary life. You'll discover powerful, new money habits that can change your financial future. Let's get started. Habit 1. The silent investor mindset. Many people think that being rich means spending a lot. But middle-class millionaires know the real secret: investing quietly and consistently. They don't show off their wealth. They let their money grow in the background. Most self-made millionaires don't look rich. They live in normal homes, drive affordable cars, and wear regular clothes. But behind the scenes, they invest a big part of their income. While others spend on luxury, they put their money into stocks, real estate, and businesses, things that grow in value over time. Middle-class millionaires see their money differently. They don't just save it, they make it work. They think of each dollar as a tiny worker that should earn more money. Instead of keeping money in a low-interest savings account, they invest it wisely so it can grow. For example, if someone invests $500 every month in index funds for 20 years, they could build a $500,000 plus portfolio without needing a high salary. How you can apply this habit: invest first, spend later. Set up an automatic transfer to your investment account every month before paying for extras. Think long-term. Before spending $100 on a night out, ask, what could this money be worth in 10 years if invested? Start now. Even if you only have a small amount, begin investing. Time is more important than how much you start with. The secret of middle-class millionaires is simple. Invest quietly, let your money grow, and build wealth without showing off. Habit 2. The hidden wealth lifestyle. Most people think millionaires live in big houses, drive luxury cars, and wear expensive clothes. But many middle-class millionaires do the opposite. They live below their means and focus on growing their wealth instead of showing it. Middle-class millionaires don't live like poor people, but they spend wisely. They buy high-quality items but keep them for years. They don't replace things often just because they are old. For example, instead of buying a new car every 3 years, they drive a reliable car for 10 plus years. Instead of chasing fashion trends, they buy classic, durable clothes that last. This helps them save money without sacrificing comfort. Middle-class millionaires don't need to prove anything to others. They don't waste money trying to look rich. Instead, they focus on financial security and freedom. Why? Because avoiding lifestyle inflation, spending more as income grows, allows them to save and invest more. They understand that peace of mind is better than impressing people. For example, a millionaire who wears a $20 Casio watch but has a multi-million-dollar investment portfolio. His goal is wealth, not status. So, stop buying things just to impress others. Most people don't care about your expensive car or designer bag. Buy quality, not quantity. A well-made $50 pair of shoes that lasts 5 years is better than buying a cheap $20 pair every year. Think long-term. Before upgrading your phone, ask, do I really need this? Or is my current one still good? The secret? Live simply. Invest the rest and let your wealth grow silently. Habit 3. Mastering value-based spending. Middle-class millionaires don't waste money, but they also don't live like misers. They know how to spend wisely on things that truly matter while cutting out unnecessary expenses. This is called value-based spending, spending on what brings real happiness and skipping what doesn't. Many people buy things because of advertisements, emotions, or social pressure. But middle-class millionaires think before they spend. They ask, is this worth my money? For example, they don't mind spending money on health, education, and experiences because these bring long-term happiness and success. But they avoid wasting money on trendy gadgets, fast fashion, or luxury brands that only give short-term pleasure. Before buying something, middle-class millionaires ask, will this make my life better in the long run? Does this give me real joy, or is it just a quick thrill? Can I invest this money instead for greater rewards? For example, spending $1,000 on a personal development course that helps you earn more money is better than spending $1,000 on designer clothes that lose value quickly. So, to apply this habit, Create a personal ROI budget. Spend freely on things that improve your life and cut back on things that don't. Use the 24-hour rule. Before making an impulse purchase, wait a day and ask yourself if it's truly worth it. Track your spending. Review past purchases and see what actually brought value and what was a waste. Spend on what truly matters, cut out what doesn't, and grow your wealth wisely. Habit 4. The opportunity cost rule. Middle-class millionaires don't just look at the price of something, they think about what they're giving up when they spend money. This is called opportunity cost, the idea that every dollar spent is a dollar not invested. Most people ask, can I afford this? But millionaires ask, what is this costing my future? For example, imagine you spend $1,000 on the latest phone. If you had invested that money instead, in 20 years it could grow to $5,000 or more. Is the phone worth giving up $5,000 in future wealth? This mindset helps millionaires avoid wasteful spending and make smarter financial choices. Millionaires also think about how much time a purchase costs them. If you make $25 per hour, a $500 gadget costs 20 hours of your life. They ask, is this worth 20 hours of my work? So, before buying something, ask, how much will this be worth in 10 to 20 years if invested? Think in work hours. If something costs $500 and you make $20 per hour, is it worth 25 hours of work? Delay big purchases. Wait a few days before buying and consider if you still need it. The key lesson? Every dollar you spend has a hidden cost. Choose wisely, and your future self will thank you. Habit 5. Leveraging wealth hacking strategies. Middle-class millionaires don't just save money. They find smart ways to make every dollar work harder. They use wealth hacking strategies to reduce costs, increase savings, and grow their wealth effortlessly. They don't let money sit idle. They find free and low-cost ways to get more value from their money, such as using tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k)s and Roth IRAs to reduce taxes and grow investments faster. Taking advantage of credit card rewards to earn cash back or travel for free. Negotiating better deals on bills, insurance, and subscriptions. Millionaires think of wealth building like climbing a ladder. Each small money move helps them step higher. Automating savings and investments so they never forget to invest. Using cashback and rewards to make everyday spending more efficient. Reducing unnecessary costs so more money goes into wealth building. For you to apply this habit, set up automatic investments so money is saved before you spend it. Use free money tools like employer 401(k) matches, cashback credit cards, and high-interest savings accounts. Call service providers once a year, insurance, internet, phone, to ask for lower rates. Wealth isn't just earned, it's optimized. The smarter you manage your money, the faster you grow rich. Building wealth doesn't mean driving a luxury car or living in a mansion. Many middle-class millionaires live quietly, spend wisely, and invest smartly. They don't waste money trying to look rich. They focus on growing real wealth. By following these 5 frugal habits, you can start building your own financial success. Invest quietly and let your money work for you. Live simply and avoid lifestyle inflation. Spend on what truly matters and cut the rest. Think in opportunity cost before every purchase. Use smart financial hacks to grow wealth faster. The best part? You don't need a high income to start. Small, smart decisions today can lead to financial freedom in the future. Start with just one habit today. Over time, you'll see your money grow, and one day, you might be the quiet millionaire next door. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.